of you guys have been asking me some questions. My WhatsApp number. Have been asking me how much money do you need to start a simple pig farming? Well, talking about simple pig farming. Focus. Sir, I need you to focus. So talking about simple pig farming, you can start with, you don't need to start with 10 pigs since you are a beginner, for the beginners. So you can start with 1 pig. As I was telling you guys, you don't need a lot of money to start a simple pig farming. Like as of me, I started with 1 pig.